As an inaugural senior medical superintendent of this hospital, I feel very proud that I've been associated with the establishment of the Audiology Center of Excellence. So far it has raised the profile for our hospital and the entire UTH, because I think for now we are a flagship for audiology services in Zambia. So far we've participated in the national screening during the National Health Week. We've been able to follow up those patients that we screened, about 1,000 or so, and then we are receiving referrals from all over Zambia to come and for audiology services. I'm proud to announce that we've so far seen even maybe about 5 senior government officials coming for checkup and for advice. I'm one of the beneficiaries. My father is 90 years old, has got hearing impairment. I brought him here, he was assessed, he's been given hearing aids, and that has really improved communication at home. And currently, in fact, he's due for review to come and assess how he's tolerating the hearing aids. The next person, like in our hospital, to use was my deputy. I think he was one of the first persons who brought in his father to be checked. Yeah, and I think we all appreciate. And for sound seekers, we are really thankful for the support that you've given us from the word go. And so far you've provided us with 2 skilled, highly skilled audiologists, Bavisha and Naomi, and they've done a good job. They are now mentoring the next generation of audiologists in Zambia. They have facilitated for the locals to go for training, and I'm very proud that one of our nurses will be going to Kenya, sponsored by Sound Seekers. One of the milestones that you would really want to appreciate Sound Seekers is the container that we are going to use for outreach activities. And I'm very excited that even a vehicle will be donated to audiology. And ministry is extremely excited, and we value this partnership. And I know we are actually improving lives of our Zambian people. Thank you.
The impact the audiology department has had on the children's hospital, especially for the nurses, it has given the nurses that understanding of the importance of hearing, because the nurses are now able to examine the children and also to establish whether the child has got hearing problems or it's just the speech problems. A child who had hearing problems and now they have the hearing aid, that has contributed very much to this child, because now this child feels now that he or she is able now to understand what the other people are communicating to this child, and this child is also able to communicate. So there is communication and understanding.
Well, we've had audiology services, specialized audiology services, for about a year now in the hospital, and the major impact I see on that is that people are now aware that they can come and access audiology services, which are really high-tech, is state-of-the-art. And hearing, especially in children, as you know, is an important aspect of learning how to talk in terms of speech. And so we see this service, first of all, in the beginning, because of so many hearing aids that we've given, I think it has helped a lot of children and adults. But the main potential is that now we should be able to screen children for hearing, because the earlier you catch these hearing defects, the sooner you work on, working on their speech, which is an important time in their life to develop the speech. So I think it's had a major impact, and I think this work has been very, very exciting. I'm very grateful to Bavisha and team, to try and push this agenda. And I think being the Audiology Center of Excellence in Zambia alone, I think it's very exciting, and I think the impact is great.